Innovation, durability, and longevity are the critical components for high-caliber products in the material handling industry. And these components are best summed up in two words: Clark Quality, the key element that makes Clark lift trucks built to last.
So here at Clark, quality isn't just at this location. We focus on global quality as well. So we have several manufacturing locations. We have one here in Lexington, Kentucky. We have locations in Korea, in China, in Vietnam as well. And we are focused on quality in all of the locations and not just here. So whenever we get a truck from one of our other factories, we will do random audits on the trucks. We do these random audits to ensure that we are all keeping the same standard across the globe for quality. We're making sure that we don't hold one standard here and another standard in one of the other locations. So we're making sure that we hold the same standard in all locations. Once we do these audits, we record those results and we communicate back to the facility that it was built at. And then we also have monthly meetings, monthly Skype meetings with each location with the quality departments to make sure that we are communicating, we are hearing back on what the decision was on certain things. That way we all stay in the loop and we're all holding to the same quality on each truck that's produced here at Clark.
My name is Stephen Berry and I work in the quality department. I am a quality inspector and principally responsible for what's called PPAPs, which is Production Part Approval Process. So when a new part shows up here in the quality department, it could be for a number of reasons. Typically, it would be a new supplier or a part that has been revised and the design has been changed slightly. So I'll begin with a document review. I'll make sure that all of the appropriate documents accompany the part. That could be anything from making sure that it has the correct paint on it to making sure that the metal that the part is fabricated from is strong enough to do what we need it to do. Following the document review, I'll usually do a dimensional analysis, which would basically be to measure the part and the various different contours and dimensions of it using various tools from a tape measure to a caliper to a micrometer. We do have a lot of various hand tools. Recently we've acquired the Ferro arm, which is a laser scanning probe. It allows us to plot in real time the contours and features of some of our more complicated components. It allows us to capture a lot of those things that you wouldn't be able to get with a tape measure, or those things that are so fine that you can't even detect it with the human eye. It also helps us to very quickly identify any kind of problems that we may be having with parts that are being supplied to Clark for our manufacturing. A lot of the times it might be something very simple, it might be something very complicated, but using the Ferro technology, we're able to turn around a report very quickly to be able to address the concern before it has a broader impact on our production process.
In addition to this, there's also a yearly quality conference where all of the quality managers will meet together at one of the locations. They will tour the line, they will go through the process, and they will talk about the quality of our product, how we can improve and continue to strive to improve the overall quality of our product and trucks. In addition to this, we've also recently created focus teams here at the Lexington location, and one of those teams is an import team. And the focus of that team is to track quality issues on trucks that come from other facilities other than Lexington. And so what we do with that, we look at warranty claims, we listen to the voice of the customer from service calls from our dealers and our customers in the field. And we take that data and we look over it. If we have one of those trucks here in-house, we'll take a look at it, see if we can replicate it here, and we will make sure that we resolve that issue and try to prevent it in the future for our customers so that we can continue to strive to build a better product. What we learn from those is reported out to senior management here and is also communicated back overseas to make sure that we're all on the same page globally. So here at Clark, we're focused on global quality. This ensures that no matter where the truck is manufactured in the world, we can produce a superior quality truck for our customers.
It's about our customers. It's about making sure that every truck that runs off the line is exactly what it is intended to be and will continually meet and exceed the expectations of our customer, making sure that the job is done right every time.
Innovation, durability, and longevity are the critical components for high-caliber products in the material handling industry. And these components are best summed up in 2 words: Clark quality, the key element that makes Clark lift trucks built to last.